Now, so let's talk about indentations in Python. Indentations are very, very important because when you are writing your codes, you would probably come across arrangements of how your codes should be. And Python programming language doesn't have anything like comma, like exclamation, like semicolon to understand where the code should be ending and all that. But it uses white spaces, like an empty spaces to determine where the line of code ends. So now Python indentation. What is Python indentation? Let's talk about this a little bit. Now, indentation in Python is used to separate code blocks. We can, use tabs or spaces, can be created with tabs or spaces. But, the basic recommended one is to indent using four spaces. And you see, I will recommend that you use four spaces, not to mix it up with a tab. Tab can be used to indent, and also spaces can also be used to indent. But if you will be using tabs, tab is just by pressing it once. And if you will be using spaces, then you have to type space four times, which will sum up to a tab. And I wouldn't recommend you to mix them up because somehow you might be confusing yourself and you might run yourself into a lot of errors. So now let's put this into practice to see how the indentation works in Python. Now, so I have this project here, and you can clearly see I have some print statements. Let's see what indentation actually means. In other programming languages, you could probably see that they would have to get like a comma or like a semicolon, to tell the interpreter that this is where the code ends, or this is to identify or to indicate that we are moving to a next line. But in Python, there is no such like that, right? So in Python, it has a wider spaces like that. So when we talk of indentation, when I click on this and I want to indent it, I'll just hit tab on my keyboard. And you see tab created four spaces, which is 1, 2, 3, and 4, right? So that is just one tab. And if I want to use spacebar to indent, I'll just say 1, 2, 3, 4. There you go. So it goes like four indentation, exactly the same thing. So you don't want to miss both spacebar and tab altogether. Example, I hit one spacebar and I hit tab on my keyboard and I hit spacebar again. You see, it is not really aligned, and this is going to throw an error. Now let's see what indentation prints actually going to be. Now I have indented this four times, but you can see there is an underline here. It is actually telling me it is not well aligned, right? So when I try to save this and run this, it should be able to tell us what exactly going on and where we find ourselves to have the error. These are common errors you will be seeing in your Python programming journey, and you should be able to notice it. Now it says file in this directory on line 2, which is this line, print hello guys. This is just for comments. Indentation error, meaning unexpected indent, meaning this indentation is unexpected, like we usually don't need that, but it was added. So programmatically the system is rejecting it, telling us to revert it back to its original state. The same thing applies. Some other codes might be requesting for indentation, And you have to follow that section, you have to follow that principle to indent. I hope you will understand this later on. So when we remove this back again, now you see the error is gone. And now we save this and we run this again. There is no error. This is how indentation works in Python. Let's meet on our next video. If you have any question, feel free to ask in the comments or in the questions and answers section. Until then, have a nice day. And X Original is out.